Okay, so it is Friday, July 27, 2018. It's 3:01 p.m. right now. And today I'm going to start up my Ruud and my Frigidaire window air conditioner and my central air conditioner at a rainy day. This one hasn't been running all day because it just shut off last night because it was raining as heck, as you can see. It was just raining right now, and last night it was raining as hell. It's a terrible storm, and we're gonna go ahead and start up the Frigidaire because this one's way quieter and this one it's a little bit louder, at least. But you know, I could have gotten a carrier because that's another interest of mine. So the unit hasn't been running, so we're gonna start it up for today. So we're gonna start up the Frigidaire because this one hasn't been running for all day, actually, because we haven't been in the shed for all day right now, and I'm going to start it up for the first time, so here we go. Okay, so as you can see, there's like a lot of water on the Frigidaire. I'm gonna leave this on until the water comes out of it. Comes out to here where the root is, but it's not gonna kill the root when it's running. So, and it's because of the rain, obviously. Just look at how much water there is in there. It's like hot air blowing out. That's really nice. Hold on, man. Yeah, my camera's got a little wet, so I didn't want to damage it. Anyway, that's nice cold air blowing out of it. It's 5,000 BTU from 2017. And yeah. Now we're gonna start up the Ruud unit. That hasn't been running all day, so yeah, I'm gonna set that. Let's go ahead and do this setup right here on the old-fashioned fan in there. So yeah. Alright, there's the starter from the Ruud unit. And as you can see, I've noticed this. Look at that, a lot of condensation coming out of the Frigidaire window air. That's hot air blowing out. It's running in cooling mode. Now this one's sounding like my brother's 2006 Ream, almost actually. Well, I don't know if you can hear that. So I prefer that. Oh, and I have some like a little bit of sad news that. So you guys might remember my aunt's 2008 Ream 410. You know, I filmed a while back, and well. It's gonna get replaced, actually. It's on a Freon leak. And she doesn't have a lot of money for a brand new air conditioner. So she's getting a used unit. I hope it's not a Goodman, because that's gonna be gone by 2020 if she had a Goodman. But at least the next door neighbor Frigidaire is actually working fine. This is so cold, man. It's hot air blowing out the coil from the Frigidaire. Oh yeah, that is nice. That feels good. So, oh, it's a toilet paper hanger. So. Emerald is not that warm, so it's alright. Alright. So guys, so thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's over and out.